Hello. This is a studio standard by Fisher. I think Fisher is owned by Sanyo. This particular integrate amplifier, this one and 880, they were the best amplifier they ever made, Fisher. And this one is a real beauty. Fisher, they made equipment that price-wise was very reasonable. It was kind of like not very expensive equipment. But I have to say, like, not this one. This one is built like a tank. It's heavy. It's really nicely built. Now, some other Fisher equipment, they were kind of cheap, but they did sound very good. In terms of electronic design and sound and stuff like that was perfect. And this one is a pure beauty. Has a lot of power. I think this one has like a 80 watt per channel, and has this beautiful classic view meters plus this LED peak meter, and uh, and this one is in very good condition too, almost in mint condition. There is not much of scratches or rust or anything. But I did go through a lot with this amplifier because I had to check a lot of capacitors on this amplifier. There's some capacitor supposed to arrive soon. Not only that, one channel, that this is a power pack transistor. This one is gone, was burned out completely. I need those capacitors over here. Need to. I'm waiting for it. These are 100-volt capacitors, and the other boards, the capacitor, I all finished. I all changed the entire capacitor. Oh, there's another problem with this machine was that these two view meters, the needle was stuck. So I had to fix that one too. Now they work perfectly. And one channel works perfectly. Let's listen to that one. And, in like maybe in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I'm going to release another video when it's completely complete and I put it to my system. Then we're going to do a proper listening to it. But let's listen right now. This one. Well, this tell you one thing. This integrated amplifier sounds absolutely great. That's not a joke. It's unbelievable. The sound is really smooth, warm, detailed. It's very nice. A lot of power. So hopefully I'm gonna receive all the parts including the transistors and capacitors. I love to finish this amplifier and let's see the final result. So thank you for watching, and I'm gonna hopefully in 3 weeks I'm gonna put a new video on this amplifier. Bye bye.